This is my review of the blinds cleaner. It's actually a really cool little product, dead simple in nature but super effective. So it comes in very little packaging. These are these actually absorb the dust, so it's not just going to move all the dust off the curtains or the blinds, sorry, but it will actually keep the dust in this. Okay, so you don't need to stress about it with all the other dust going all over the place. Okay, so the way this works is you can take them off like this, and then you can put them in the washing machine or get replacements if you want replacements. But these are what they look like, and it's literally just slide on, slide off. So you can take each one off. It does require a little bit of force, but it's okay. And then you can see in between each one there's a little gap with each one, just like that. Okay, and all you do with your blinds is, depending on the angle, you either put them straight in like that, or you go straight and then you just wipe it left and right, or down or up and down, up and down. Very effective. It doesn't, like I said before, it does not push all the dust away and make it float everywhere. It takes the dust in. These are washable, so you can put it straight into the washing machine, or run it under some cold warmy water and wait for it to dry. And yeah, so it's super easy, nice little product, really handy, and yeah.